Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your OPPO Reno 3 Pro, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store, click on the search and download application named Opera Mini. Click on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we can open it. Click on the continue, all and continue, and right now input the name of your website that you're going to. I'm going for the HardReset.Info, and here is the notification that the ads were blocked, and this is thanks to the partnership with AdBlock Plus. And right now you cannot find here any ads, even when you go for the other section. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.